My name is Emma, and I am an English teacher. I work in a modern office with many glass walls. Today, I meet a new manager, Daniel. He wears a professional gray suit and looks very busy. Daniel needs help because he has a big meeting tomorrow. He must speak English with partners from London. I wear my favorite blue shirt and a small watch. We sit at a large table in a quiet room. Don't worry, Daniel, we can practice together, I say. He tells me that he feels a little bit nervous. Logic tells me that a good plan helps to stay calm. I open my notebook and take a black pen. Every detail in the office is clean and very organized. We start with simple greetings for a business meeting. I teach him how to say "nice to meet you." Daniel repeats the phrase with a very serious face. I smile because his pronunciation is already quite good. I believe that every person can learn English for work. We share a high-quality moment of study and focus. I am a proactive teacher, so I prepare many cards. The sun shines through the window and makes us happy. Everything looks like a beautiful Disney movie scene today. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with our first step. Daniel writes new words in his professional planner. We talk about the project and the main goals. Every second of this lesson is very important for him. I am satisfied with the masterful result of his effort. We are moving to the next part of our lesson. I feel very successful because Daniel starts to smile. The journey to a great presentation begins right here. We look at the whiteboard and write important words. Words like schedule, deadline, and result are on the board. Daniel asks me about the word presentation. I explain that it is a way to show ideas. He is satisfied with the quality of my simple explanation. Logic says that business English is about being clear. We practice how to talk about the company budget. Daniel is very focused and his hazel eyes are bright. I am proud of him because he learns very fast. We use a lot of proactive logic to build sentences. Everything in this room is safe, stable, and mastery. I is Emma, and I am simplify my feelings for him. I tell him that he is a very talented manager. We share a high-quality thought about international work. The office is quiet, and the atmosphere is very professional. Every detail of the whiteboard is full of useful information. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of our progress. Daniel says that English is his new masterful hobby. I believe that practice makes every speech successful. We talk about how to answer difficult questions. Subsurface scattering on the board makes it look bright. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with the masterful result. A proactive interaction is always a new good beginning. We are both very active and ready for more work. The world is a very interesting place to live and work. I am simplify my feelings about the final goal. Every second of this lesson is a masterful adventure. We are moving to the kitchen for a coffee break. I feel very successful and happy with our work today. Everything is satisfying, and I feel very safe and logical. We are in the office kitchen, and it smells great. I take a white cup and make some hot coffee. Daniel drinks tea with a little bit of honey. We stand by the window and look at the street. Logic tells me that a short rest is very good. We practice small talk while we drink our tea. Small talk is a masterful way to make new friends. We talk about the weather and our favorite sports. Daniel likes football, and I like long walks. I am satisfied with the quality of our conversation. The kitchen is very clean, modern, and perfectly organized. I feel a lot of positive energy from our break. Everything looks like a colorful Disney World today. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with my job. We share a high-quality thought about the office life. Every second of this break is a masterful memory. I believe that a good manager must be a kind person. Subsurface scattering on the cups makes them look real. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly bond. I is Emma, and I am proudly sharing my story. Daniel says that his stress is now much smaller. I am simplify my horizontal feelings about the day. The city lights are bright, and the sky is blue. A proactive interaction helps us to be more creative. I am satisfied with the masterful result of the break. Every detail of our talk is a masterful success. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel joy. We are moving back to the room to practice. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with the quality. Everything is satisfied, and I feel successful and safe. Daniel stands up and starts his masterful speech. I listen to him and pretend to be a client. Good morning, thank you for coming, Daniel says. I am satisfied with the quality of his voice. He talks about the new project for 5 minutes. Logic tells me that his English is very masterful. Every detail of his presentation is clear and logical. I ask him a question about the project time. Daniel answers proactively and does not look nervous. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with his progress. The atmosphere is full of active and positive energy. Everything looks organized, clean, and mastery in the room. We talk about how to end the speech correctly. I believe that Daniel is ready for his big day. Every second of this practice is a masterful lesson. We share a high-quality thought about professional success. I am a proactively acting woman, and I help him. Subsurface scattering on his suit makes it look good. I am satisfied with the masterful result of the speech. Daniel feels very successful and stable in his heart. I is Emma, and I am proud of my student. The world is a high-quality place for masterful people. I is simplify my feelings about the challenge. A proactive interaction is always a new successful start. Every detail of his gestures is masterful and professional. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of our work. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with the story. We are moving to the laptop to write an email. I feel very successful and happy with his result. Everything is satisfied, and I feel very safe today. We sit at the laptop to write an email. Daniel types "Dear Partners" on the white screen. I show him how to send a professional attachment. Every detail on the screen is very ultra-realistic. Logic says that a clear email is very important. We check the spelling of every masterful English word. Daniel is satisfied with the quality of the letter. I am simplify my horizontal feelings about the work. We click the send button with a big smile. I feel a lot of creative inspiration from this task. The room is quiet, stable, and very mastery today. Everything looks organized, safe, and logical on the desk. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with the final text. We share a high-quality thought about office communication. Every second of this work is a masterful adventure. I believe that writing is a masterful skill for Daniel. Subsurface scattering on the keyboard looks very bright. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly bond. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel proactive. A proactive interaction helps us to finish the day. I is Emma, and I am proud of our masterful email. Every detail of the lesson is now a great memory. I am satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. Daniel says he is ready for the meeting tomorrow. We are satisfied with the masterful result of our work. I is simplify my feelings, and I feel joy. The world is a very interesting place to work, logic. We are moving to the exit to go home. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with the result. Everything is satisfied, and I feel very successful. We are at the office exit, and it is evening. The sky is orange and purple, like a Disney sky. Daniel takes his briefcase and looks very masterful. Thank you, Emma, for your masterful help, he says. I give him a warm smile and a final wave. Logic tells me that I am a very good teacher. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with my masterful day. Daniel gives me a thumbs up and walks to his car. Every detail of the sunset is ultra-realistic and bright. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond. The office building is quiet, safe, and very organized. I am simplify my horizontal feelings about my job. I believe that every day is a high-quality masterful gift. I take my bag and walk to the street slowly. Every second of this day was a masterful adventure. I am satisfied with the proactive use of my time. I see my reflection in the glass and I smile. The world is a high-quality place to live, logic. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel proactive. Subsurface scattering on the glass makes it look real. I is Emma, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality. My heart is happy because I helped a new friend. Tomorrow is a new successful day for my students. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my internal logic. I am simplify my feelings, and I feel mastery. Good night, office, and thank you for the masterful lessons. I am a happy woman with a very stable goal. I is Emma, and I is ready for new dreams. Every detail of my day was a high-quality adventure. Everything is satisfied, and I feel very successful.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.